Hi there. Welcome back to my world. I'm Lorrie, and I live on Vancouver Island with my husband and my mother, and we like to do all kinds of things around here. And one of the things that I do is I like to think I'm a bit of an artist, so at least now I do. Anyway, I make things like these. And I turn them into wall hangings, or, some of them I've turned into, these will become planters, I think. I'll put them out in my garden. So in the summer I don't get into the craft room quite as often as I do during the winter time, but I do still try to get in here once in a while because it's super relaxing for me. And sometimes the state of the world bums me out, and I really have to just get away from it sometimes, and my craft room does that for me. So I want to thank you for taking a minute out of your time to come and join me today and see what's going on in my world. We are in the studio today and we're making art. If you haven't, please subscribe. I know I'm supposed to say this stuff every video and I always forget. Please subscribe, please like, please comment. I love getting comments and I love interacting with the people who watch my channel. If you have a question, please ask. What else? Oh yes, I have a website. And I actually sell some of my art on there. Actually, most of the art that you see in my videos is for sale. I have given a few pieces away, but most of it I still have, and it's sitting around my house. And I need to find something to do with it. You know, there's no markets going on right now, so that I'm involved with anyway. I need to find some kind of an outlet. I think I mentioned that in my last video. And one more thing before we get to painting. It's my birthday on Friday the 19th, and I'm going to go live. I think probably around 3 in the afternoon, and I'm going to highlight some of my finished pieces for y'all, and just chat and say hello and celebrate my birthday with all you guys. So I hope you stop by. That would be fantastic. Again, that's going to be Friday, June 19th at around 3 p.m. Pacific time, of course, because that's my time zone. And I am an afternoon person, not a morning person. So I hope to see you then. Anyway, let's pour some paint on stuff. Alrighty, so today I'm going to do another Jager bomb. I don't know if that's really what they're called, but the first time I saw Gay do one, that's what she called it, was a Jager bomb. And so that's what I'm calling it. And I'm assuming it's because this is the way you serve a Jager bomb, right? So in my lower cup, I have a phthalo green, a phthalo blue, hydroxated green chrome oxide, and a blue ultramarine pigment paint. And I've used just about the last of those. And again, it's about a third full. And then this little guy here is full to the brim. And that is my violet ultramarine pigment and my pink ultramarine pigment mixed with some silver. And I did put a drop of silicone into this glass after I had put all the paint into it. The individual paints themselves don't have any kind of silicone in them. Anyway, so let's drop that in there again and push it down. And that should cover it. Oh my gosh, it's going to be fabulous. Where's my record? Okay. Try and get it on the center this time from the beginning. Close enough. Okay, I'm going to set it down and let it just kind of hang for a few minutes. Oops, it's starting to drip out already. But yeah, we'll be back in just a blink of the eye. Okay, so it's been sitting for a few minutes, and then the other thing that somebody mentioned that might get your paint to flow a little... Sorry, I'm going to move that chair out of the way. That will make your paint flow a little easier is if you pop a hole in the bottom of your cup. Of course, it does mean you can't use that cup again, but I gave it a try to see. And anyway, I'm going to throw these gloves on really quick. Anyway, let's pull this up and see what happens. Oh, come on, let go. Ah, it doesn't want to let go. Whoa. Okay, and then let's get that out of the way. Oh my, those colors are stunning. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to do some of this, and I'm going to do some of this, and I'm going to grab my blow dryer. I think I might throw a little bit of this white on there as well. Well, I'm still I'm at like half in love with it and half not in love with it. So I love this down here. I think that is just stunning. And then I love this up here. I think that is just beautiful. Look at those colors. Right? But I don't like that. I've got a big black blob there. It looks black. I'm sure it's just a mixture of that phthalo green and blue. Out in the sun it might look okay. And then that's kind of, I don't know. It actually looks a lot darker in person than it does on this camera. This camera is really picking up the light in it. I think what I'll end up doing with this one is painting the other side and then turning it into a bowl, because those would be stunning on the side of a planter. So guys, thanks so much for watching today. Like I mentioned at the beginning there, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you can make it, remember, Friday, June 19th, 3 p.m. Pacific time. I'll see you then. Bye now.